Do you want life insurance, but you've recently had a serious health issue that you think might disqualify you? Well, you might have a few more options than you think. Stick around to find out. My name is Jake Williams. I'm a life insurance specialist with Step Up Wealth Management. For more information on life insurance or how life insurance can fit into a comprehensive financial plan, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, that way you find out immediately anytime I upload new videos. So, having a recent health issue or a health scare or a major health issue can be a problem when you're looking for life insurance. A lot of times you can hear back from the underwriters that maybe you don't qualify, or maybe it's going to cost you a whole lot more to get that life insurance. And there are a few things that you can do. Unfortunately, it can get a little complex, but you do have some options. The first one is just time. So a lot of times and with a lot of issues, if you can show 3 or 5 years of good health after the issue, some companies may open the coverage back up. It may not always be the case, but sometimes you can simply just outwait the issue and get that life insurance at a later date. The next thing you might want to look into is some sort of guaranteed underwriting for your life insurance. Some companies offer basically just a guaranteed life insurance policy. If you apply and you pay, you get the coverage. Now, for that benefit, you are going to pay more. You're going to pay more for a guaranteed underwriting term insurance policy than you would for a term policy that is underwritten traditionally. But if your choices are a guaranteed underwriting policy or nothing, you get the coverage. Another place that you might want to look for your guaranteed underwriting life insurance is check with your employer. A lot of employers have group life insurance coverage, and that coverage is guaranteed for the individual. They can spread the cost for insurance out over a much larger number of people and a much larger base, so that can help a lot. You may be able to buy up your insurance amount from your employer, so check there. And the third and final thing you may be able to do is you may be able to look into an exception or a waiver. Sometimes, literally, all you need to do is just ask. One of my mentors, he tells me all the time, if you don't ask, you don't get. If you don't ask, you don't get. Sometimes all you have to do is ask. You can talk to the companies, talk to the underwriters. You may have to just submit some form of basic health questionnaires, let them know, hey, it wasn't really that serious, or here was the procedure that I had. Here's why I'm not as big of a risk as the company may think. All you might have to do is just ask. If you're looking for life insurance after a health scare, you're probably realizing you want to make sure that something or someone is covered. Take a minute to let me know in the comments, what is your why? What is your reason for getting life insurance? What do you want to make sure you have covered? After this video, if you want to know more about what life insurance companies look for when underwriting an applicant, make sure to check out my 3 Things That Buy You Life Insurance video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you want to learn more about life insurance or how it can fit into a comprehensive financial plan, click in the link down in the description below to apply to become my client. I look forward to seeing you take care of your now, your future, and beyond.